A brother who is college going is asking how many khatam of Quran, Khatm al-Quran, would be possible for someone studying at school or university during Ramadan.
You mean not in the leading the prayer? You're talking about
I think, yeah, not in the prayer.
not in the prayer. Well, Prophet ﷺ, according to Aisha, he never read the Quran in less than 3 days. Never. And he said to Abdullah ibn Amr al-As not to read it for less than 3 days because he wanted to do that. He said, you will not be able to understand it. You might read it, but you will not be able to understand it. Now, this recitation of the Quran, which is less than 3 days, more than 3 days, is the 3 days and upwards, is a recitation of contemplation. But if you want to revise the Quran for yourself, and you want to revise, you could revise, you could finish the Quran once as a revision, but you'll not be able to understand it as a Prophet. You just want to make a rehearsal here, memorize, that's something different. But to recite it, to contemplate, and you know what you're talking about, 3 days is the minimum